Hello, this is Larry at LarryRicker.com, and in continuation of my video series on why is it so cold in this house, I'm going to show you how to keep yourself warmer during the winter months. This is a tip I got from a friend Joe, and what you can do is you can cut out these thin pieces of insulation. This is available at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's just a real thin sheet. It comes in rolls. It's silver, metallic, but it's just plastic. Very thin. But you can take these and fit them up into your vent covers, and then close the vent, and then seal it up for the winter months. And it'll. What happens if you have a dead airspace above your living space, that tube that goes up to the central air conditioner is a non-heated airspace, and as a result it's above the insulation and it gets cold, and as air flows through there during the winter months, your warm air will flow upward. It'll flow into that tube, and then it'll get cooled by that cool tube in the non-heated airspace, and then cold air will descend out of the vent. And even during the warm months, or during the cold months, when you're trying to keep the house warm, that cool air will be falling down on you. So I've done this to each of the vents in my house, cut a piece that fits exactly in there, and I've also done it in the vents where it screws in, and you have to take the screws out and screw it up in there, and it made a huge difference, not just in possibly in the heating bill. I didn't really check it, but just in the comfort level inside the home during the winter months. The screw vents are a little more tricky. These are tubes that So what you have to do is cut out a piece of this plastic insulation. Again, it's very thin, and you fit it so it just fits the inner dimensions of the plastic cover, so it fits in there nicely. And you have the screw holes that go up into the base of the vent, into this hi-hat type vent system for the air conditioner. And these go up into the vent. This one's going to stay in there pretty good, so I'll just leave it. But sometimes they drop down, and then you have to fix the screws to the little winglets that are on the side there that turn out, and screw it back up in there and put it through there. And you'll have to punch holes, just small holes in there for your screws, and just screw it back up into there. And the process involves just taking the screw, putting it through, and then lining it up to the hole in the black base there. And then an electric screwdriver is definitely a plus. And as with everything mechanical, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey are your favorite little rhyme. And you just put those screws up in there, and then righty-tight them right back up in there. And you can take care of this in maybe just an hour, including cutting them up. But It'll save you on the heating bill, and it'll also make your house immensely more comfortable during the winter months. So I do all the intake vents where the air is getting sucked up into the air conditioning unit that's in my attic, and then all the hi-hat down vents. I put a panel up in there as well, and we're gonna definitely do this again next year.